So I've used both Vivint and Ring in my home, and I've got to say these two security systems take very different approaches. One feels like luxury smart security, the other's more DIY and budget friendly. But only one actually gave me peace of mind. If you're stuck between them in 2025, watch this first. I'll break down what really matters after using both. Vivint feels like the high-end white glove option. A technician came to install everything: sensors, cameras, a sleek wall-mounted smart hub. It's a touchscreen tablet that stays online through both Wi-Fi and cellular 24/7, so I never worried about losing connection. The cameras are insanely smart too. The Outdoor Camera Pro actually detects lurkers and flashes, lights, or plays sounds to scare them off. The automation? Top tier. I controlled smart lights and thermostats from the same app, created schedules, and set up rules without needing extra apps. But yeah, Vivint comes at a premium. Sensors are about $50+ each, cameras run $200 to $400, and monitoring costs $29.99 to $49.99 per month depending on features. If you finance the gear, which most people do, you're locked into a multi-year contract. Also, support is hit or miss. When I reached out, sometimes I got quick help, other times it was a bit of a wait. Still, they're more responsive than most cable companies, so I'll give them that. Ring, on the other hand, is way more budget-friendly and DIY focused. I installed it myself in under an hour. The base station and keypad are basic, but the app handles everything pretty smoothly. There's a huge range of camera options from $60 to $250, and the monthly monitoring is just $20, or totally free if you want to self-monitor. No contracts, cancel anytime. That flexibility is awesome. The downside? Automation with Ring is limited. You can pair it with Alexa and a few Z-Wave gadgets, but to really set up routines, you need to use other apps like Alexa or Google Home. It works, but it's more fragmented. Their customer support, in my experience, was decent. The knowledge base is helpful, and chat support usually got back to me pretty quickly, but it's not white glove like Vivint promises. So, final verdict? If you want a fully integrated smart security system with professional setup, reliable monitoring, and automation that just works out of the box, Vivint is the better choice. It's pricier, but you're paying for polish and power. If you're more price sensitive and don't mind a little DIY, Ring gets the job done for way less. You'll sacrifice some automation and advanced features, but the flexibility and value are hard to beat. Personally, if I had to choose one to stick with long-term, I'd go with Vivint. The experience feels more complete, and for securing a whole home, especially one with smart devices, it just offers more control and peace of mind.